Hi everyone and welcome to another video on Turn to Data. In this video, we are not solving any questions. We are rather going to look at a website named codepip.com, which gives you access to multiple different games and lets you learn to code by playing different games. And there are different levels available, different domains available. What I'm interested right now is they have a very particular section for SQL. So if you go to games and then switch to SQL, you can find a very interesting game called Querymon. And this again, there is a small fee associated with this game. And I think it's hardly, it's hardly $6 a month. And if you are paying yearly, then, the costs go even down. So if you go to games again and go to SQL, you would find this game. Let me just open it up. Now, let me just briefly tell you what Querymon is. Querymon is an educational SQL coding game where players master the art of database querying to unlock the different secrets of Querydesk. Now, what's Querydesk? Querydesk is a vast database of unique monsters. So when you actually go inside the game, let me just click on Start Game. This teaches you different levels, and as you can see, there are in total 136 levels. So that's pretty elaborate and covers almost the entirety of what you should learn in SQL. But to start with, if you are on level 1, this would start with the very basics, and it helps you query from A to Z. So the way the game is structured is very nice. I personally liked it. And if you just go here, this would give you instructions in terms of what queries you need to run. You can just simply type in the query, and once you are done, you can just click on the query button and it would populate these queries for you. All right. So for example, if you go to the next level, which is level 2, now it gives you specific instructions on how you can use SQL and how it works in general. And you have a small editor window here where you can simply type in your query and move forward. One interesting thing that I really liked about this interface is that you can, for example, let's go to level 7. Yeah. So for example, this will ask you to, query the table. Now, when you actually start typing, it has a very cool feature of autofill. So you don't really have to worry about what should be my syntax, what exactly should be the spelling of my syntax. If I'm making any issues, all of that would be captured automatically. So for example, I'm going to write the name of a column. It immediately picks it up. For example, image is the column that I need, keywords and everything. Yeah. So once you're ready, you can just click on query. It would show you the output. It would also show you the goal that you want. So if I click on the goal, I need 2 columns. I can go back, make the changes and query again. And once you are done, you would see a small pop-up sound which says that your query is successful. Yeah, and then you have an option to move to the next round. So this is pretty nice. I really enjoyed it. If you want to explore this further, you can go to this website called codepip.com, and from there you can simply move on to games and then click on the SQL button. If you are someone who's interested in more technologies or more domains, you can explore their free games as well, and they have a lot of other games which are available. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to display today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Please feel free to share it with your colleagues or friends, and I'll see you with another video next week. Thank you.